Hello and welcome to this video of number 17 Clayhill Road here in Burghfield Common. So what we have here is a detached bungalow. It's been extended and converted, so it's much bigger than the original. We've got a good frontage on this property. You can see the parking space here and also the front garden. Just give you an idea of the sort of road we're in here. That just gives you an idea of the sort of non-estate location. And if I just step into the drive, I'm just going to turn around just to give you an idea of what we have across the road as well. Nice properties. We're very close to Burghfield Common Centre, where you've got the shops, local schools close by, bus services as well. There's a side gate to the left there, taking you to the rear garden. So let's now make our way inside and I'll show you around. Okay, so we're actually in the entrance porch now. I'm just going to turn around actually and just give you an idea of just the entrance porch, because there's a bit of storage space here on the right, but also coat hanging space on the left. As you can see, double doors there leading into the porch from the outside. Let me just turn around again and now I'll take you through into the main entrance hall. I have actually put a few lights on, only because it's just a bit dark now outside, getting a bit late in the day. So the entrance hall itself is a good size, as you can see. We've got doors to 2 bedrooms just over here. Kitchen, dining room on the right. There's the WC in front, and I'm just going to show you the lounge just here. So let's just start by showing you the downstairs WC, which actually is a shower room as well. Nicely finished, as you can probably see straight away. Decent sized shower cubicle there, and just around the corner here we've got the wash basin with the heated towel rail. All tiled, generally very nicely finished, as you can see. Okay, I'm going to turn around now and let's show you the main lounge. So front aspect window first of all, and you can probably tell with the amount of furniture in here, it is quite a good sized room. At the back there we've got double doors. I'll show you where that takes you. It takes you into like a second hallway, and we have the focal point of the chimney breast here with the fireplace. So nice size lounge, 2 radiators at the end there, and then if I spin round, this is the front aspect window. It's a lattice double glazed sealed unit window with a radiator behind there as well. So all gas central heating and double glazed sealed unit windows throughout as well. So now through here into, which I think is the room that really is a feature. Really big kitchen dining room. You can see table and chairs there. That's a table with, well, 5 chairs at the moment, with the ability to have 6. And yeah, I mean, it's easily in the room, as you can see. Just focusing on the kitchen, because we have units all along the wall there, as you can see, with the inset sink unit there under the window. Granite work surfaces as well. Got a couple of eye level units on this side. I'm just going to spin round and show you more kitchen units over on that side as well. You can see the range cooker sat there. And then, quite honestly, sort of plenty of space for a sort of family area, children's play area, settees. Yeah, you know, a really big room, this one. We've got French doors into a sort of little courtyard area at the front. A little shed there as well. There's a gate taking you through to the front garden. I'm just going to step back here, spin round, and just give you another idea of just how big this room is. On my right hand side here, French doors leading onto a patio onto the garden. I'll show you that towards the end. And then through the door here, we have a utility room. Granite work surfaces on the right there, matching to that of the kitchen. As you can see, we've got space for washing machine, tumble dryer, dishwasher. Storage units on the left hand side here. Door into a WC, that's the second one that's going to be downstairs that we've seen so far. This is the rear hallway I mentioned to you earlier. That's doors going into the lounge on the left. I'll show you what's down there in just a moment. So the WC, again nicely finished, as you can see, nice tiling. the low level WC, wash basin there with a vanity covered under, and quite a nice tiled floor as well. Heated towel rail in the middle. So that is the sort of main reception room, kitchen, utility room, toilets. So down here we have on the left the largest bedroom, and on the right family bathroom. Let's just start with the largest bedroom. So this would be bedroom 1 if that's what the occupier would prefer. As you can see, plenty of space for a double bed there. Front aspect window. I am just going to spin round though and just show you the fact that at the back here we've got French doors with steps leading down to the lawn onto the garden. Just one more view of this room because it is quite a good size room. And then behind me, if I spin round, we've got the sort of the main family bathroom really. I guess this bathroom really is associated to the master bedroom. As you can see, we've got a panelled bath there with shower over, nice tiled walls, heated towel rail there, wash basin with cupboard under, and then the low level WC. So fully tiled walls actually, and just pointing down the flooring as well. So whilst it's not the ensuite technically, but it certainly is one that links itself very much to the main bedroom. So I'm just going to take you back through the kitchen diner to the main hallway where we have the 2 other bedrooms that I mentioned to you. So these 2 bedrooms, as far as bathroom facilities are concerned, would really be using the toilet shower there, which is the very first one that I showed you. So on to these 2 bedrooms. First of all, the one at the front, very much a double room, really good size. As you can see, we've got 2 single beds in this room, along with a lot of furniture as well, showing you just what potential this room has, and that it is genuinely a big double room. Front aspect window, again, double glaze with a lattice finish. And then, last but not least, we have the 3rd bedroom, which again, 3rd bedroom, really good size for a bedroom 3. And you see it's used as a sort of office study there, but there is a single bed, double wardrobe, but certainly as a 3rd bedroom, it's really quite a good size. Side aspect window as well. So we've seen the main lounge, we've seen the huge kitchen dining family room, the utility room, and the main bathroom along with the master bedroom. We've got a separate WC. You've seen the other 2 bedrooms with the toilet shower that goes with it. Let's now show you the rear garden to finish the tour of this property. So through the French doors here, we've got a decked patio here, as you can see. Deck patio to the left-hand side. We've got steps going down to a paved patio and then to the rest of the garden. Careful as I go down. And then the garden itself. All fenced in, mainly laid to lawn. We've got this really big timber chalet here. Perfect for storage, home office, children's games room, that sort of thing. You probably notice at the rear boundary there, we have a row of young conifer trees there growing, which I'm sure will create a nice screen in the next few years. And then I'm just going to wander down here and I'm just going to show you, there's a side access just here, and this is the steps taking you to the door which is in the master bedroom. So that is number 17 Clayhill Road. If you think this might be of interest, then do give us a call. Any questions, then do ask for me. My name's Gary. Alternatively, you can ask for a viewing appointment and we'll meet you here and show you around. So thanks for watching.